how to invite friends to like a page on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application. Now, if you own the Facebook page, you can see the home icon, the this icon here, the graph icon. Now, under graph icon, you may want to scroll down till you see the tools section. Now, under the tools section, you will see the page access, ad center, monetization, invite friends to follow. So you tap on that, and then you actually need to have friends on that. So your Facebook page is actually connected to your to a personal account where you have friends. And here you will see, as you can see here, I have actually switched my account, my Facebook account to my personal account. And here you could just tap here the check button here to send invites to these people to like your page. And basically that is how you invite friends to like a page on Facebook. Now if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you've updated your Facebook application. And to do that, you may want to go to your Play Store and just tap in Facebook. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Facebook application is updated. Now, if it's updated, you can now go back to our tutorial and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.